Alright, we're here at Dill's Tavern, Drain Doctors, recording the sewer line from the outdoor kitchen. Clean out outside, already mapped it out with Chris Hoover from Hoover Engineering. Gonna pull back, cannot push the whole way to the main. Gonna pull back. We are underwater here, just a little, as you can see. We're in under the street at 110 foot, 111. That is terracotta pipe. Okay, I'm going to pull back. We have a couple little bit of bellies, as you can see, that hold a little bit of water. Nothing major. Camera head is not that big, so we're just under a little bit of water, as you can see right there. Still in terracotta pipe. There is something right there as a tie-in. Here's where we start coming up. And this is right around the sidewalk area. Now you're in, looks to be cast. And that's right around the sidewalk area that you drop a helm. There we go into PVC. That's the end of the PVC right there. Or I'm sorry, that's the start of the PVC, which is inside the fence area. Depths Chris Hoover has on his drawings. Rest of the line is all PVC in great shape. Right there, it's at 50 foot, clean out underneath the bricks, marked in a little dot of white paper. Again, Chris Hoover has this all documented on his drawings with depths. There's a 45, couple 45s in this line. Another 45 there. Another 45 there. And we're almost out at the clean out here on, again, Dill's Tavern. There's the clean out that we were working from, right on the outside of the outdoor kitchen. End of recording.